Now let us discuss about Xerosere succession. In this, what is meant by is Xerosere and types of Xerosere. So here the succession when begins from bare area with acute shortage of moisture in the soil. It is called Xerosere. So the Xerosere bare areas includes rocks, hard surfaced area and sand, deserts, etc. Lithosere is also a type of Xerosere in which it originates from naked rocks. Such places lack organic substances and water, but inorganic substances are also present in abundance. The succession starts from lichen stage and after various stages ends with forest, which forms climax community. Now here this is the stages. Here these are the stages, different stages of Xerosere. Here this is the definition. Now types of Xerosere. First, crustose lichen stage. In this, plants cannot grow on bare rocks. Therefore, only crustose lichens can grow on these rocks. For example, Lichenora, Lycidia, Rhinodina, etc. This type of lichens grow as crust which manage their own food, etc. As a result of the death of these lichens, the organic matter and humus accumulate on the rocks, which favor the growth of other plants. Now another type of lichen, crustose lichen. In this foliose lichen stage, foliose lichens such as Parmelia, Dermatocarpon, etc. begin to develop on these rocks, whose plant body looks like large leaves. Their death causes more humus and organic matter to accumulate on rocks, which support the growth of moss plants. Here, this is another stage of this Xerosere stage, that is moss stage. After the formation of humus and organic matter on the rocks, the xerophytic mosses, example species of Polytrichum, etc., to start to grow and their rhizoids gradually penetrate into the rocks, which helps in the formation of minute soil particles. Now, another stage, that is to be herb stage. Here in this stage, as a result of the above stages, the climate becomes favorable for growth of herbs. Therefore, the herbaceous plants such as Fistuca, Aristida, etc. begin to invade these rocks, whose roots deeply penetrate into the rocks and accelerate the process of rocks disintegration. Now let us discuss about another stage, that is to be shrub stage. Here in this, numerous shrubby plants appear along with herbaceous plants. Example, Polycarpus, etc. Their roots are very strong and transform rocks into land. Now, the last stage, which is called as climax stage. In this, the xerophytic conditions so produced favor the growth of only large trees such as oak and form the forest. Due to the height of trees, shrubs begin to disappear in wet region. In this wet temperate region, they found the trees like conifers, oak and maple, and in warm dry regions they develop trees such as prosopis and acacia. So these are the stages of Xerosere.